Welcome, Math Explorers. Have you ever wondered what happens when letters sneak into maths? Yes, that is algebra, and today we will study about it. But let's start with this question first, that is, what is algebra? So, algebra is like a magic puzzle where we solve problems with the help of numbers and letters. And as we learn from our textbooks, it is a field of mathematics which uses alphabets in the form of equations and expressions to solve our problems. And these equations are mainly made up of two components, which are constant and variable. Where constant are fixed numbers such as 5 in this expression of x plus 5, on the other hand, variables are letters standing for unknown values like x in this expression of x plus 5. And in any equation, what connects these two components are mathematical expressions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Like in this equation, 3 is a constant and x is a variable, and what connects them is addition, that is, a mathematical expression. Now, when we are aware of the concept of algebra, have you ever thought why is it in our textbooks or why should we learn algebra? Because algebra isn't there just for solving our problems in our textbook, but it is something we use in our daily lives, like for figuring out how much money you will save during a sale, or even for planning how many chairs you'll need for a party. Now, let's try a fun real life example. So, imagine you're setting up tables for a party, and each table can seat two people on the long sides. And if you will arrange the tables in a straight row, they'll share the sides, so there are fewer chairs needed. Let's say for one table you will need 4 chairs. For two tables you will need 6 chairs. And for three tables you need 8 chairs. So, do you see the pattern here? This way we can calculate the number of chairs required for 1, 2 or 3 tables. But as the number of tables increases, it gets difficult for us to calculate the required number of chairs. So let's assume this unknown quantity of tables is n, which we have to find out, and make this equation from the pattern we have observed, that is total chairs is equal to 2n plus 2. And to find out the total number of chairs for n tables, we can just use this equation and find out the number of chairs required for whatever number of tables we are given. Now let's solve this equation in this case where we have 5 tables. So how many chairs will we need is what we have to find out. So we can put n is equal to 5 here in this equation, and we will get total number of chairs is 12 after calculation. See, algebra just helped us solve a real world problem. Now, I hope that algebra is no more a scary maths topic for you, but it's rather a fun and useful trick that you can use in your daily lives. So, go and solve your own puzzles using algebra and make the magic of maths. That's it for today. Let's meet again with another topic.